Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome to another episode. Today is part 2 of our Bearded Dragon. If this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share. Also, while you're at it, take a visit to that website. I've got all sorts of stuff available on there to help support me. And now let's just get right into it. So to start off today, we're going to get this background dialed in, and for that all you really need is some Mars Black, some Titanium White, and Raw Umber. That's really the only 3 colors that I used for this background. I just used various shades and tones and just played around real fast with a very big oval mop brush just to get a lot of this basic stuff on there. I wanted to make sure I got the nice wet coat on there and mix the colors in well when they were nice and wet. It just helps provide a nice smooth transition between the colors, and then I would go back through after that first coat dried and put in some more details. So now that this background's pretty well dialed in, I'm going to move on to getting this little guy's foot painted in. And so we'll break out our yellow ochre, and that will be most of the color that we use. And we'll mix in some titanium white and Mars black here and there. And then for a lot of the shadows, I would end up mixing in some raw umber instead of the Mars black. It just helped to give it more of a muted dark tone instead of such a stark black. And I just went back and forth between my different tones, lighter and darker, and I really like how this foot ended up looking. It looks pretty darn neat. Also wanted to get this little underbelly section done, so I just went ahead and mixed up a little bit of Mars black and raw umber to get that little slope fixed a little bit and get the angle corrected, and that little underbelly looks pretty cool too. That's gonna about do it for this episode. If you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. This bearded dragon is looking really cool so far. Please tune in the next episode. We'll get some more work done. Remember, if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will see you in the next episode.